Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your friend Ramesh. Today I will introduce India's number one company, biggest multi-bagger stock, and Indian number one group HDFC stock and debt-free company. If you invest in this company for long term, you will create huge amount. If you have little bit money, 10,000, 20,000 also, by investing in this company you will create huge wealth in the long term for your children education purpose, marriage purpose. If you invest for long term, it will create huge wealth. So before investing a company, we have to check the company business model and its service and its product. If its services is good and business model is good and it will release excellent result year on year, then we have to select that company for investing purpose. So the company name is HDFC Asset Management Company. It is one of the biggest multi-bagger stock in the coming 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Buy and forget type of stock. So it will manage HDFC total amount. So imagine how much the money. So the market cap of this company is 63,106 crore. It will become 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh crores in the coming 5, 10, 15 years. So the current market price of the share is 2963. High is 3359 and low is 2070. So if you see the company performance, profit and loss, then only we have to decide we have to invest or not. Operating profit in 2016 is 715 crores and 2017 792 crores, and it will become 2020 is 1693 crores, and net profit in 2012 478 crores, and next year 550 crores, and it will become in 2020 1260 crores. So continuously it net profit is growing, so it is good company. And EPS also, earning per share, so 33.78, from that price to 59, it will increasing year on year. So if you see the other assets, so 405, 329, 378, 246, 180, and total assets. So total assets are continuously growing, 1423, 1600, 2472 and 4332. So it is continuously growing, total assets are. So it is best company. Shareholding pattern of this company, promoters holding in this company is 73.92, and FIIs are, so from 2018 3.75%, from there to it will become 9.11 in 2020, and DIS in 2018 1.91, next year 2.20, and continuously it become 5.63. So it is very good indication. So it is one of the biggest multi-bagger stock in the coming years. Now this price is 2963. In the coming 5 years it will reach to 20,000. So everyone invest in this company. It is one of the finest company, and your money is safe in this company. In the short term, if market is fall, this share also will fall, but it is temporary. After some time market will increase, then this share price also increase. So it is one of the safest company for long term. Short term, we can't predict the market, we can't time the market. So it is one of the finest company. If you invest, you will create huge wealth. So it is my first recommendation. I am not only YouTuber, I am also investor. I am also invested in this company, use money. So this is education purpose. I am recommending this stock. Before investing in this stock, you have to proper research on this company. If you like, then you have to invest. If you not that much of knowledge, you have to consult your financial advisor and take the decision. So this is the my first recommendation, HDFC AMC. It is the best multi-bagger stock in the long term. Thank you.